Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be exploring the incredible world of anti-inflammatory foods, delicious, nutritious, and essential for a vibrant, pain-free life. But before we dive into our top 10 anti-inflammatory superstars, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our exciting, health-boosting content. Let's get started. 1. Berries, for example blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are high in antioxidants called flavonoids that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting overall health. 2. Fatty fish, example salmon, mackerel, sardines, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties and support heart and brain health. 3. Leafy greens, example spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat inflammation and promote overall well-being. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that may alleviate symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. 5. Ginger. Gingerol, a bioactive compound in ginger, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects and can help with digestion. 6. Nuts, example almonds, walnuts. Nuts are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support heart health. 7. Olive oil, extra virgin. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, an anti-inflammatory compound that may help protect against chronic diseases. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may protect against 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of certain diseases. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support overall health. Finally, and my favorite, avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, both of which can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Viewers, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of wellness enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more informative and exciting content on my channel. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and soul with love, health, and happiness.